The Freeman Inter-City Commuter is a special one. As one of Matchbox's fantasy vehicles, it has an interesting backstory. And yes, Freeman is a real person, and we'll get to know all about him. Hi everyone, I'm Johan, and this is Belgian Diecast Restorations, your place for diecast factory resets and makeovers.
Welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations.
The Freeman Inter-City Commuter joined the Matchbox Superfast range in 1970. Peter F. Freeman was a technical designer and illustrator with a passion for cars. He was born in 1928, and in 1965 Freeman entered a competition by the Weekend Telegraph to design a city car. Freeman submitted his design for the Inter-City Commuter. He didn't win, however his design was published in the paper. Lesney contacted him since they were looking for futuristic designs for the Matchbox Superfast range. And that's how Peter Freeman's design became a Matchbox car. Peter F. Freeman passed away 30 years ago in 1996. This Freeman Inter-City Commuter is only held together by a rubber band. The windows are scuffed and the paint is chipped, so I think this will make a nice custom in honor of Mr. Freeman. Freeman's original design was metallic green, but the car was never produced in this color by Matchbox. So we all know what's coming. Let's get out the tools and give this mall a makeover. The Freeman Inter-City Commuter was one of the few, if not the only Matchbox fantasy model that was not designed by Lesney. This specimen has seen better days. Held together by a rubber band with chipped paint, scratch-up windows and worn wheels, it makes a perfect candidate for a custom makeover in the spirit of Freeman's original design. This is the first time I use a Tamiya metallic green on a black primer. It results in a somewhat darker green. I sprayed the interior and bottom plate black and chromed the steering wheel. The detailing really brings this model alive. Sadly, I couldn't get rid of the deeper scuffs and bruises in the windscreen. Nevertheless, I think it didn't turn out too bad. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, as this helps my videos to climb up in YouTube's algorithm. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.
Belgian Diecast Restorations.